name is Paola Quattroni. I work for Cancer Research UK, which is a large charity funding research in cancer. My focus is in particular data sharing, research data sharing, and I oversee the policies of data sharing, openness, transparency. Part of my daily job involves talking to a lot of different people like researchers, funding bodies, decision makers, and also private sectors or government bodies. And collaborations is what I do every day. Collaboration in research is becoming increasingly important. Whatever the research you do and whatever the project you're involved, it is very likely that you'll end up working in collaboration with teams or in partnership with external stakeholders. I think a course on collaboration could really help you choose the right collaboration for you. It will also give you some tips on how to run a collaboration. I would also say research collaboration is increasingly recognized by research funders. Funds go more and more to projects that are interdisciplinary or big, large international collaborations.